So here we are in Tonopah, Nevada, and we had a little thunderstorm earlier move through, and now the clouds and the sunset is spectacular. And it's not just in one area. We're going to go completely around in a 360. Watch this. This is amazing. This is amazing. It doesn't matter where you look. I know, I'm spinning too fast. I'm on my phone. And I'm a rookie. What do you expect? We go to the front of the RV. I know. Look at this. And then back around where we were. And this is where I started this video. Right here. This is amazing. Oh my goodness. It almost looks like it's on fire. Wow. Simply amazing.
Sunsets like a tangerine. Let's find a road we've never seen. Don't waste another mile or a minute not kissing me.
So Lori brushed her hair this morning. Look at all
being bears.
Look at all. Oh, that didn't I say that?
No.
Oh, that's what I meant.
You left out that detail.
Oh, sorry. That's what I meant was bear.
Okay, lay down right here. You're too strong for me. Bear. Don't go through all that. I'll attach back onto you.
Come on.
Ah!
Come on over here.
I'm still gonna get you.
Daddy will protect me. Oh. So. Look at this. You're such a good girl, baby bear.
At least she doesn't cry like Daisy used to. Daisy would cry like a little baby.
So you got all that fur off of her.
It's only half of her.
Look
I didn't
at that.
get the other side.
Look at
she
that.
won't let me.
Hey.
She's definitely feeling the heat. And
She's crawling.
Coat.
Oh, 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 oh.
Oh, good. This is the side I need. Thank you.
Oh. Oh.
Easy, 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 easy. Good girl. The easier you are, the easier I can be. Okay? Easy.
Yo, bear.
Good girl.
Oh, wow. You going to do your hair next?
This is it. Probably. Need to. Thanks for bringing light to that.
Hey, no problem.
The purple is gone.
Hi, bear. Thunderstorms in Yerington. Look at these clouds. Ooh, baby. We had a little bit of rain, not a lot. Some wind. And some thunder. Some lightning. Look at this over here. Look at this. It's just amazing. And here we are boondocking at an old drive-in theater, the Sage Crest Drive-In in Yerington. It's now noted as this is all BLM land out here. So it's all open, and the old theater is still up, parts of it. Ay caramba. 3 days ago we were in temperatures in the 90s and had the air conditioner blowing. And today I went to dump trash because we're still in Yerington. Whew. There's the movie theater. There's the drive-in board. We're still here boondocking. It snowed. Lots of wind, cold. Feels like temperatures like 37 right now. Brrr. Look at the clouds. It's supposed to rain and get down into the 20s tonight. Out with Bear. Here we go, Bear. Out for our little walk. Beautiful today. After a freezing cold night last night in Yerington, Nevada, as we're boondocking at the Sage Crest Drive-In, the old drive-in, which is now all BLM land. This is just gorgeous. Look at the sky. It's been a beautiful day today. The high's been about 65. Look at that. Oh man.
There were lots of them, dude. Wow, look at all these yellow flowers.
All these yellow flowers, we could pull over and I could get out and it would be just like the scarecrow on the Wizard of Oz running through the field of flowers.
Then you'd fall asleep.
Because you didn't get the scarecrow part, did you?
Oh, no. You only animate. Some wild horses out there. There's like a whole bunch of them. And they're right next to Walker Lake. We're just now leaving Hawthorne. We stopped there for a food and potty break. Hey, Christine and Angie, you remember being here?
That's not nice.
Tom didn't think that was too funny.
Beach access, did you want to go?
No, thank you. There's Walker Lake. And then there's little town of Walker. Some camping right down there. And then this is right along this cliffside. And there's supposed to be a bunch of, bighorn sheep migrate down